New 7-Seat Citroen C3 Aircross, confirmed for 2024 launch. The 2024 Citroen C3 Aircross is a compact SUV that is expected to be released in the first few months of 2024. It will be a completely new model, replacing the current C3 Aircross that has been on sale since 2017. Citroën has confirmed its new generation C3 Aircross is coming, which will be revealed in the first few months of 2024. The brand teased its arrival at the launch of the new EC3 hatchback and, naturally, the two will share a lot of similar DNA. The EC3 is the beginning of the renewal of the Citroën range that will be followed by a B-SUV, brand CEO Thierry Coscas announced as the new Aircross was teased. The biggest news is that, since the new generation C3 has morphed into more of a crossover-ish shape, its new Aircross companion has also grown into becoming a 7-seater. That would mean the new C3 Aircross will become one of the smallest 7-seat cars on sale, setting its crosshairs on the 7-seat version of the Dacia Jogger. The Aircross' new role within the range ensures there's no cannibalization either. There's no way to have, in one lineup, two cars competing against each other, according to Citroën head of product, Lawrence Hansen. Given the new EC3 smart car platform has been described as EV native by executives within Citroën, it also means that the new Aircross will arrive with a battery electric version. CAR understands there's some flex in the scalability of the platform, which not only would accommodate the third row but could imply a slightly larger battery cell under the car's body, but this is unconfirmed. As well as the official teaser video, Citroën's new Aircross model has already been spotted in the wild under heavy camouflage. To accommodate the new third row, the new Aircross features a much boxier rear end, as well what looks to be an even taller ride height over the EC3. Citroën says its new C3 Aircross will be officially revealed in the first few months of 2024. Here are some of the key features of the 2024 Citroën C3 Aircross. New design. The new C3 Aircross has a more modern and stylish design than the current model. It features a new grille, headlights, and taillights. Larger dimensions. The new C3 Aircross is slightly larger than the current model. It is now 4.32 meters long, 2.75 meters wide, and 1.72 meters tall. More comfortable interior. The new C3 Aircross has a more comfortable interior than the current model. It features new seats, a new dashboard, and a new infotainment system. New engine. The new C3 Aircross will be offered with a new 1.2-liter turbocharged gasoline engine that produces 136 horsepower. It will be available with a manual or automatic transmission. New technology. The new C3 Aircross will be offered with a number of new technology features, including a head-up display, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Here are some of the pros and cons of the 2024 Citroën C3 Aircross. Pros: stylish design, comfortable interior, new engine, new technology. Cons: not available yet. No information on pricing. No information on fuel economy. Overall, the 2024 Citroën C3 Aircross looks like a promising new compact SUV. It has a stylish design, a comfortable interior, and a new engine. However, there is still limited information available about the car, so it is difficult to say for sure whether it will be a success. Here are some additional details about the 2024 Citroën C3 Aircross. It will be available in both 5- and 7-seat configurations. It will be offered with a choice of gasoline and diesel engines. It will be built on the same platform as the Peugeot 208 and Opel Corsa. It is expected to be priced from around €20,000.